Now the reason for buying these is they were about $80 for two instead of about $70 each, which the Festool ones are. Hi, welcome to my workshop. My name's Darren. About a year ago I did a video called Using Dewalt Clamps on the Festool MFT3, and I modified the back and edges of this Dewalt clamp to see if we could get it to fit in an MFT3 table, and that didn't work. However, I've been contacted by Michael Wangler, and he has suggested just cutting out an extra little notch here with a grinder, and that should fix the problem and we should be able to use it. So let's give that a try. My workshop is pretty much set up for woodwork, but I can do the occasional bit of metal work, and for just such an occasion I keep a normal vise in my cupboard down there, which just slots into the wood vise on the workbench and clamps into place like that, which then allows me to do metal work or anything else that requires a regular vise. So I'm just going to clamp this up in here, leaving a bit of room for me to work on it at the edge there. So we're just going to cut out a little dimple, if you like, or a little recess here so it can scoop around the MDF in the MFT3 table. Alrighty, I'm just going to test that. We'll do this in stages so as not to take off too much material in one go. I'm sure that's not enough yet, mind you. Alright, I'm going to try cutting that away with the power file. I honestly believe I'll be able to do a better job, so let's give it a try. Now, I think the advantage we'll have with the power file is it's a lot broader. I'm trying to cut with something that's probably 1.5 mil thick versus something that's over 10 mil thick. I think I think that'll be much easier. Let's give that another try. Again, I'm going to wear a dust mask. Don't want to breathe that in. Alright, as you can see, using the power file has left it looking nice and smooth. I could go over it with a lighter grit and polish it, I suppose. And it just fits. Let's have a look. You can see, let's pick that hole, you should be able to see that. And there we go. Voila, done. Alright, now if you're starting out with an original Dewalt clamp like this one, there's a few things you're going to need to do to get it to the point of fitting in the MFT3. The first one is to grind off this overhang at the edge of the tang, or the back of the tang here, so as it becomes flush with the edge, and then round over these corners here, and put a chamfer on the inside of the tang on both sides. Now all of that I did last time in the last video, but with Michael's addition, I've also, for the length, I've cut out an area about 40 mil long, that at its deepest point, I've narrowed it down to 9 mil. Now normally this is 14 mil, 9 mil here. So, and then you need it to be fairly smooth. You don't just want a sharp cut out. You want it to roll around the corner like that. And so there we go, and that is what you have to do to get it up to speed to work with the MFT3 table. And so there it is, the Dewalt clamp working on a Festool MFT3 table. A little help from Michael for giving us the last little details we needed. Alright, now special thanks to Michael Wangler who brought that to my attention. Thank you. And thank you everybody for watching. Hopefully it's been of some use. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.